YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Got another HackerBox. It is FreeForm HackerBox 0052. I have no idea what that could be. Let's open her up. I hope one of these days to get caught up on some stuff to start playing with these again. So all I've been doing the last couple months is just unboxing them and putting them on the shelf. So what do we got here? USB cable. I'm sure you can hear it. It's raining here. Pretty good. Another cable, audio cable, 3.5 millimeter stereo, male, female, 6 feet. Alright, some LEDs and some capacitors. I wonder what we could be doing here. Oh, I can't get it open. Some little capacitors. Just kind of. What do we got here? I can't see it. Yep, that's a 555 timer. What is that? Oh, tiny 85. Hey, tiny. What is this? CD 4017 counter. So I wonder what we're going to be doing. Oh, I see a whole bunch of, looks like LEDs. Huh, interesting. I mean, other than the green ones here. I see surface mounted ones. And I swear that looks like a thermometer, but it can't be a thermometer. So what else we got here? We've got a whole strip of LEDs. Interesting. 5 volt. So there's your addressable. Looks like. That's a weird looking. Check that out. It's got a little, like a little plastic cover on it. It says Alpha. 100K. 2 gang right there. 10K. Audio jack. Obviously, we got, what do we got here? See if I can see what it is. It looks like a little MOSFET. I don't know. BL9S1D. Is there a symbol in there? Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a couple of them. Interesting. And some resistors. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let's just move this over here from right now. What is that? That's it's a little it looks like an LED light. You know, I mean USB LED light. That's cool. That's funny. Hey, you know, I bet it works. I don't really have anything right here. I don't think I can plug it up with, do I? Let's see if it works. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Not very bright, but hey, it works. That's cool, I guess. What have we got in the little... Oh, I see. Okay. I mean, I can tell what they are by the feel of them. They're glasses. That's funny. Yeah. Everybody needs shades. UV eye protection. Alrighty. That's pretty funny. Some bare copper wire. Battery thingy. A battery thingy. We've got a... What do we got here? It's looking like a micro. I don't know. Oh damn it, why is it never open? Lift of the breadboard. Is that a Pico or something? I can't never remember. These generic ones. Oh well, whatever. Got a breadboard to go with it. Yeah. What do we got here? We got a couple stickers. Fishing. Oop, might help if I put it under the thing, huh? That's pretty cool. I like that one. And keyboard warrior. 100 insults per minute. That's pretty funny. I like that. Alright, that's a pretty good box. I can't wait to dive into it. Let me know what you guys think.